My name is Paul Schmid, and I'm the creator of 5S Garage. As a 5S facilitator, it's often difficult to create the vision of what 5S should be to your employees. Many times employees lose perspective and begin to focus solely on the cleaning aspects of 5S. But the 5S process is more than sweeping the floors. It's also about creating a visual workplace that can be understood by anyone, from the newest employee to the shop floor veteran. The purpose of the 5S Garage video is to provide the perspective necessary for your employees to truly understand the 5S method and create a visual workplace that will drive your organization to become more lean. In a setting that should be familiar to everyone, the typical household garage, I take the audience through each step of the 5S process, from sort through sustain. During each step, I not only explain why it's done, but show how it's done. The 5S Garage video is an informative, engaging, and entertaining 20-minute guided tour of the 5S process. Thank you for considering it, and good luck on your lean journey.